If you're managing a remote team and you're sick of feeling like a babysitter, or worse, being seen as one, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to manage a remote team without micromanaging. And here's the kicker. It'll actually make your team more productive, not less. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share the one tactic that instantly changed the way my remote team communicates and boosted our results in less than a week. Let's dive right in. Micromanagement doesn't come from being a control freak. It usually happens when you don't have clarity, trust, or systems. So the goal here is to replace your need for control with better structure and visibility. Start by setting crystal clear expectations. That means outcomes, not hours. Instead of saying work on this today, say deliver X by Friday. And here's what success looks like. If your team knows what done looks like, you don't need to check in every 2 hours. Next, simplify your communication stack. Pick one place for updates, one for calls, and one for files. That's it. Overcomplicating this leads to missed updates and unnecessary follow-ups. I've tested almost every tool, Slack, ClickUp, Trello, Notion, Asana, and I finally found one that does the job without the noise. I'll link an exclusive free trial in the description for Dan Thorne viewers only, so you can follow along and set this up yourself. Now, avoid status meetings. Replace them with short async updates. A 3-line daily check-in, what I did yesterday, what I'm doing today, what's blocking me, is more powerful than a 30-minute call. It gives you visibility without hovering. Then, focus on rhythm over real time. Set a weekly cadence, one check-in, one planning doc, one deadline. People work better when they can manage their own time, but still feel like part of a pulse. It also makes accountability feel natural, not forced. Here's the subtle trick most managers miss. Instead of checking in on people, check in with people. Ask, what do you need from me to hit this deadline? That simple shift in tone builds trust and ownership. If someone's slipping, don't assume laziness. Assume friction. Ask where the blocker is, not why they didn't do it. This keeps the team solution focused, and it keeps you out of the micromanagement trap. And if you're worried about people slacking off, build in visibility, not surveillance. Dashboards, progress logs, and milestone updates give you the data you need without breathing down their neck. Here's the key takeaway. Managing a remote team without micromanaging comes down to 3 things: clarity, visibility, and trust. Build your systems to support those 3, and you'll never need to micromanage again. Quick recap. Set outcome-based expectations. Use one tool per function. Replace meetings with async updates. Build weekly rhythm and pulse. Check in with, not on your team. Use visibility tools, not surveillance. If you want to test the exact tool I use to manage my team with all of this built in, without spending $1, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to Dan Thorne subscribers. That's it. Less stress for you, more freedom for your team. Let me know in the comments what your biggest remote team challenge is, and I might make a video on it next.